YouTube is fucking me over and is about to fuck for everyone else too. Some of you might know that twice now in the last year and a half, I have randomly lost over 1,000 watch hours credited towards my monetization. Yesterday, I finally got onto a chat with the YouTube support team about this that I've been trying to for months, and only now finally got them to let me do it. And I got 3 hours of continual gaslighting. First, they tried to argue with me that, oh, I never actually got those watch hours at all. Then they wanted to try and make it seem like one of the videos I did a year ago that crossed the valid threshold for that was the only video I had that had 1,000 watch hours in a single day, which none of my videos have achieved 1,000 watch hours in a one-day period. And when I asked them to show me what video that did, they sent me a short, which if you don't know, shorts don't count to your watch hour threshold. So that was bullshit. Then they tried to argue that it was a different video of mine, one of my shorter long-form spray paint videos, that it at its absolute peak got at most 40 watch hours in a day. That does not even come remotely close to explaining a loss of 1,000 watch hours overnight, nor how this happened twice. But they spent an hour and a half ringing me around the circus, trying to gaslight me into saying that never actually happened. Then, when I tried to get them to explain how my view counts consistently, continually, and every single time this happens, drop massively after I get an influx of subscribers, they tried to spin me bullshit. How that doesn't happen. The clear and consistent pattern you proved in your screenshots happens didn't actually happen. You're just making it up and don't know how YouTube works. Not only did they pull that bullshit to me, but now they're making it even harder to get monetized. This is the upcoming changes to the YouTube monetization mechanics. And to summarize the bullshit this is, the new shit for how they've set this up is now they have changed it to qualify for the YouTube partnership. You now need 8,000 watch hours within the last 36 days, or 20 million shorts views in the last 90 days. And for shorts, if you slip from this and you have a week or two where you don't get 1 million views on every single short you have, you're immediately dropped from making money on any shorts you make. So they've effectively made it twice as hard to qualify for getting anything back for your long-form videos, but they have made it now effectively impossible to get anything back from your shorts. Unless you're one of those slop factory accounts making 1 billion AI videos a day. And on top of all of that, they're paying you less while charging even more to advertisers. So they're going to be making even more money and giving you even less of it, if you somehow even get monetized under this new bullshit. The only slight saving grace of this is if you already get monetized before this goes into effect early next year, you will stay as part of the partnership program. Though you will still have to get the new bullshit policy continually met if you want to make any money off of your shorts, which, as you guys know, most of my videos are shorts. So that double screws me over. I don't know what to do. Because I don't farm outrage. I don't make clickbaity, I'm gonna surprise you with some gotcha bull. I don't farm outrage and spread misinformation. I don't literally film myself committing crimes, as apparently the new social media meta. I make art, and I do weird animations, because it's what I like to do. And I don't hide the fact that there's some things I'm not good at, or are still learning how to do. And I don't act like a condescending jackass. I'm offering advice to you guys when I can. But between YouTube moving from a already not too favorable to artist algorithm to an entirely AI-driven one that is even less friendly, and this bull now, I don't know what to do. Because the only reason I'm not on the street right now is because I have a fantastic family. Because I don't have a job, despite over a year and a half of constantly applying to fucking everything. And despite the constant setbacks, it does genuinely feel like this channel and my art might be the only way I can make any kind of revenue from anything I do. And this bullshit on top of the disappearing watch hours that YouTube wants to try and gaslight me about makes that even less likely than it already was. I try to avoid heavy and serious topics on this channel as much as I possibly can, but I needed to talk about this because it is, again, absolutely bullshit. I don't know, fuck it. Here's the Patreon. Membership is only $1, and you get the video game I made a while back with that, and a shout out at the end of every video, I guess. I'm also going to look into setting up a coffee account, maybe if Patreon, even for $1 a month, is too much. Maybe someone will want to commission something. I don't know. That's something I need to look at doing. Just... I'm going to release another video alongside this one that's just going to be basically a massive slideshow of a lot of my art just to try and get some watch hours, I guess. I don't know what to do. I don't know.